Discover the 3 key supplements to boost your T, a T to the max. Today, we recommend this video that contains valuable information for those looking to improve their testosterone replacement therapy TRT.
Okay, let's talk about supplements for testosterone and TRT management. Obviously, there's a lot of drugs to know with TRT. We've talked about the idea that there's really 3 major ones: cypionate, enanthate, and propionate. And then we talked about some of the ancillary drugs.
The video explores essential supplements such as zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, which can significantly influence testosterone levels. Additionally, the importance of testing before supplementing is discussed, ensuring that your body receives exactly what it needs.
That you can use along with bioidentical TRT. Now we're going to talk about some of the supplements that you will probably want to use or be aware of in relation to TRT therapy. First of all, we want to basically
This video is an indispensable guide for those looking to optimize their T, a T with appropriate supplements. Don't miss the full content. The link is in the video description.
Deplete some of the nutrients that we know through research can impact testosterone function. These are going to be zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D mainly. If we are low in any of these, and many men are, supplementing with them will raise testosterone. Obviously, supplementing with them, if you have adequate testosterone levels, will likely do nothing. And so what are the doses on this? Well, I can give you a couple recommendations. At Metabolic Effect, we sell